It's recipe time! Let's make a cheesecake. For the crust, crush 200 grams of speculoos biscuits. Mix the speculoos with 130 grams of melted butter. Now, the cream. Mix 600 grams of cream cheese with 180 milliliters of crème fraîche plus 4 eggs. Add 250 grams of sugar, 60 grams of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon peel, and 8 grams of cornstarch. Pour the cream onto the crust. Bake the cheesecake for 45 minutes at 160 degrees. Turn off oven. Do not open the oven door. Leave it to continue cooking for 40 minutes. Put your cheesecake in the fridge for 2 or 3 hours. It's ready! You can put some strawberry coulis on it.